Welcome to Delaware, a land shaped by the ebb and flow of the Atlantic tides. Don't be fooled by its diminutive size on the map, for within its borders lies a world of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. From the sun-drenched beaches of its Atlantic coast to the tranquil wetlands teeming with life, Delaware is a haven for nature enthusiasts and those seeking respite in the great outdoors. Join us now as we journey through this hidden gem of the eastern United States, exploring its diverse ecosystems and the remarkable creatures that call them home. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty of Delaware's landscapes, a testament to the enduring power of nature and a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious habitats for generations to come. Our journey begins on the shores of Delaware, where the vast Atlantic meets a coastline of pristine beauty. Here, the rhythm of the ocean sets the pace of life. The beaches of Delaware, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a haven for both wildlife and those seeking respite from the bustling world beyond. The fine golden sands sculpted by the tireless efforts of wind and wave offer a welcoming embrace to all who venture here. Rehoboth Beach, a vibrant hub of activity, pulses with the energy of vacationers drawn to its lively boardwalk and refreshing ocean breeze. Further south, Bethany Beach offers a quieter charm, its pristine shores a sanctuary for families and those seeking a more tranquil escape. And then there's Dewey Beach, a haven for those who live for the thrill of the waves, its waters alive with surfers and sunbathers alike. But beyond the allure of sun and sand, the Delaware coastline harbors a world of natural wonders. Cape Henlopen State Park, a sentinel at the mouth of Delaware Bay, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature. Its towering dunes, sculpted by the relentless ocean winds, provide a breathtaking backdrop to the vast expanse of the Atlantic. Here, amongst the swaying beach grass, one can witness the delicate dance of life as migratory birds, their journeys spanning continents, pause to rest and refuel in this vital habitat. Join us as we delve deeper into this coastal paradise, exploring the hidden treasures that lie scattered along Delaware's shores. We venture now into the heart of Delaware Bay, a world where the boundaries between land and water blur, creating a rich tapestry of life unlike any other. Here, the ebb and flow of the tides dictate the rhythm of existence, shaping a landscape of vast marshes and fertile wetlands. This is a place of constant change, where the salty breath of the ocean mingles with the sweet scent of decaying marsh grass, creating an aroma as unique as the ecosystem itself. The Delaware Bay is a vital nursery for countless species, its shallow waters teeming with life in a delicate balance. Blue crabs scuttle through the muddy bottom, while oysters, their shells encrusted with the patina of the sea, form vast reefs that provide shelter for smaller creatures. Above the surface, the air is alive with the sights and sounds of countless shorebirds, their calls echoing across the marsh. These feathered travelers, their journeys spanning thousands of miles, depend on the rich bounty of the Delaware Bay to fuel their epic migrations. The Delaware National Estuarine Research Reserve stands as a sentinel, protecting this vital habitat from the encroaching pressures of human development. Within its boundaries, scientists and researchers work tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of this complex ecosystem, studying its intricate web of life and ensuring its preservation for generations to come. Let us tread carefully as we journey deeper into this watery realm, observing the delicate dance of life that unfolds within its hidden depths. Leaving the shores behind, we venture inland, where the landscape transforms into a verdant tapestry of forests and woodlands. Here, towering trees, their branches reaching skyward like ancient arms, form a leafy canopy that filters the sunlight, casting dappled shadows upon the forest floor. The air is alive with the sounds of nature's orchestra, the rustling of leaves in the gentle breeze, the melodic calls of songbirds hidden amongst the branches, and the distant drumming of a woodpecker searching for its next meal. Redden Forest, a sprawling expanse of pine and hardwood, beckons explorers with its network of winding trails that disappear into the emerald depths. Here one can wander for hours, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature, the worries of the world melting away with each step. The forest floor, a mosaic of fallen leaves and decaying wood, teems with life unseen. Insects, nature's recyclers, diligently break down organic matter, returning vital nutrients to the soil. Squirrels scamper amongst the branches, their bushy tails twitching with nervous energy, while deer, their eyes wide with cautious curiosity, peer at us from the undergrowth. And above it all, birds of prey, their keen eyes scanning the forest floor for the slightest movement, circle silently on the thermals, reminding us of the constant struggle for survival that plays out in this wild domain. The Brandywine Valley, nestled in northern Delaware, unfolds like a living tapestry woven from the vibrant greens of rolling hills, the shimmering silver of its namesake creek, and the golden hues of sun-kissed farmland. Here, time seems to flow at a more leisurely pace, dictated by the changing seasons and the gentle rhythm of rural life. The Brandywine Creek, its waters meandering through the heart of the valley, sparkles like a silver ribbon, reflecting the azure sky above. Along its banks, willows dip their branches into the cool water, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. This idyllic waterway, a haven for kayakers and canoeists, offers a unique perspective on the valley's serene beauty. As we glide along the creek, we are treated to a captivating panorama of wildlife. Great blue herons, their long necks poised like elegant question marks, stand motionless on the banks, patiently waiting for an unsuspecting fish to stray too close. Turtles, their shells glistening in the sun, bask on logs, slipping silently into the water at our approach. The Brandywine Creek State Park, a verdant oasis within the valley, invites us to explore its network of trails winding through forests alive with birdsong and open meadows where wildflowers paint the landscape in a riot of color. Here, amidst the tranquility of nature, it is easy to forget the hustle and bustle of city life to reconnect with the simple pleasures of the natural world. Delaware's commitment to preserving its natural heritage is evident in the abundance of state parks and natural areas that dot its landscape, each offering a unique glimpse into the state's diverse ecosystems. Alapocus Run State Park, nestled within the bustling city of Wilmington, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature to thrive even in urban environments. Here, amidst the towering trees and tranquil creek valleys, it is easy to forget the city's clamor, to lose oneself in the serenity of the forest. Hikers and mountain bikers can explore miles of trails, while those seeking a more contemplative experience can simply relax by the creek, listening to the soothing sounds of water cascading over rocks. Further south, Trap Pond State Park beckons with its ethereal beauty. Here, ancient bald cypress trees, their gnarled trunks rising from the murky depths of the pond, create a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Spanish moss drapes from their branches like ghostly veils, adding to the park's otherworldly ambience. A leisurely boat ride on the pond offers a unique perspective on this enchanting ecosystem, allowing us to observe turtles sunning themselves on logs and listen to the chorus of frogs and insects that call this place home. Whether seeking adventure or tranquility, Delaware's parks and natural areas offer a sanctuary for the soul, a place to reconnect with the natural world and rediscover the simple joys of being outdoors. As our journey through Delaware's natural wonders draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for this small state's remarkable biodiversity and the dedication of its people to preserving these precious habitats. From the sun-kissed beaches of its Atlantic coast to the tranquil wetlands and verdant forests of its interior, Delaware offers a surprising array of outdoor experiences for those seeking to reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're an avid hiker, a dedicated birdwatcher, or simply someone who enjoys the peace and tranquility of being surrounded by nature, Delaware has something to offer everyone, so come discover Delaware for yourself. Explore its hidden trails, marvel at its diverse wildlife, and immerse yourself in the beauty of its unspoiled landscapes. You won't be disappointed.